Hi guys! So you might have copied some text and pasted it into Microsoft Word only to see that there is some background color on your pasted text. Now this color may be gray, blue, or yellow, or whatever the color is, but don't you worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 2 easy ways how you can remove these background colors from your pasted text. So all you need to do is use your keyboard. I'm going to show you 2 keyboard shortcuts you can use to remove these pesky background colors from your text. Okay, so the first keyboard shortcut you're going to use is Control and the spacebar. So the first thing you want to do is you want to highlight your text, and then on your keyboard you press Control and spacebar. There you go. So as you can see, this gray background is gone. And then for the, I'm going to use it for this too. This one is a different type of gray copy text that I had, so I had 2 versions of gray copy text. So the second keyboard shortcut that you're going to use on your keyboard is Control and Q. So the first thing you want to do is highlight your text as I have done here, and then on your keyboard you're going to press Control and Q. And then there you go, your text is now clean of any background color. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope these keyboard shortcuts have been useful for you. Please subscribe and like so that others can see these videos and help them get rid of these background colors. It really helps when you like and subscribe. It helps with the Google, with the YouTube algorithm so that others can see it. Also leave a comment. I want to know which of the shortcuts worked for you, and also feel free to comment any questions you have. I'll be happy to answer any questions and help you with this. Thank you so much for watching.